Yo, what's up, everybody? It's your boy Floss, back again with another video. And today we're going to take a look at the DiamondBoxx PA15 Pro DJ speaker. Now, you can pick this one up on Amazon. I'll throw the link up in the description. The price on this one, $800. Now, I know what some of y'all getting ready to say, $800, that's TGH. No, this one is worth every penny. Now, if you've been on my channel before, you've seen DiamondBoxx speakers. They make some of the most high-quality speakers on the market, and this one is no different. This is easily, and I mean easily, the loudest PA speaker that I've ever reviewed. Now, listen closely. I don't know if y'all can hear that sound. My next-door neighbor been playing music all day long, all right? Now, he's new on this block. He doesn't know who the boss of this block is, so I'm kind of making this video out of spite, because I'm getting ready to take two of these outside, pair them up to my iPhone, and blast that new Pop Smoke album and let him know that I'm the mayor of this block. Anyway, let's get into the features real quick. All right, this is 128 decibels loud. It's ridiculous. Now you got Bluetooth wireless with true wireless stereo mode, so you can pair two of these together wirelessly. Now you got a 15-inch 380 millimeter woofer, a USB audio input, an SD card audio input. It comes with two wireless microphones. You got two guitar inputs, a 1/4 inch apiece, two microphone inputs, a 1/4 inch apiece. You got auxiliary in, auxiliary out, RCA jacks. You got a 6.5 inch, 165 millimeter mid-range. You got a 35 millimeter horn-loaded tweeter. This is 250 watts RMS, 600 watts peak. Now it's weather resistant, IP52. You can play this up to 40 hours on a single charge at typical office or classroom level volume. Now this is not a toy. This beast weighs 60 pounds. You got wheels on the bottom and a handle on the top. All right, so here's what you get in the box. And on a side note, the box is huge and this definitely weighs over 60 pounds. I had to carry two of these up 3 flights of stairs, so I hope y'all appreciate this video because I got to carry two of these back downstairs to set them up in front of my house and end my neighbor's career. All right, so you got your usual books and shit. Plug them and follow them. Got your plug and your wireless microphone bag, which comes with a remote control. You got a few adapters and two wireless microphones, which are extremely high quality. Now, you know I'm going to test these out. Here's the front of the speaker. Now, that is a metal speaker grill with the DiamondBoxx branded on the bottom. Now, here's how the back of the speaker looks. Here's the left side of the speaker. Here's the right side of the speaker with all your controls. You got your main display. You got your mode button. You got play and pause, skip and reverse tracks. You got loop. You got record. You got true wireless stereo. You got a USB-A input. You got a full SD card slot. Here's your main volume knob. You got your left and right input, left and right output. You got mic priority. You got bass control, treble control, guitar volume. You got two guitar inputs, two mic inputs. You got mic volume, mic treble, mic bass, echo, repeat, delay. Here's your AC input and your power button with an LED display. All right, so I'm using this on battery power. I just plugged it in. First, let's check out the wireless mic.
Yeah. DJ Craig. Back in the building. Shout out to my next door neighbors. I hope y'all had fun. Party's over. Let's go.
Let me turn this off. Okay. Yo, do y'all hear that echo and the delay? Yo, this is crazy. All right, let me throw some music on. All right, so I got my usual test music queued up. We're going to start off at 50% volume, and then I'm going to rock the house. Don't forget to put your headphones on. And let me say this. There's no way that you're going to be able to comprehend how loud this speaker is through this YouTube video. You're just going to have to take my word for it, but let's try it anyway. All right, here's 50% volume. Now I know what y'all saying. Oh, that don't sound that loud. Okay, here we go. Now I'm gonna start the song back over and increase it to max volume. Here we go.
DJ Craig, we just getting started. All right, switch that up. Yeah. Let's go. We got Queens in the building. What up? Don't try to turn your music down now, baby. Let's go.
Look, let me say this. This video is definitely not doing it justice. I'm looking at my mic levels. They all the way at the top. So if you're watching this right now, it might be clipping or it might just sound weird. That's because it's too loud for my microphone. I'm standing all the way against the wall. I can feel it in my heart. My ears are popping. And this is only one. Imagine how two are gonna sound together paired. Let's find out. All right, so I got two of these paired together. I guarantee you my mic is not gonna pick this up correctly, but we're gonna do this anyway. I'm gonna start off at 50% volume. Here we go.
DJ Craig, back in the building. Let's run this back from the top. Max volume.
Yo, all right, hold on a second. Bro, let me tell you something. This is the loudest speakers that I've ever heard in my house. And I've never heard anything this loud sitting up here in my attic. I got chills on my arms. It's like sitting in a nightclub right in front of the speakers. This is unbelievable. Unbelievable. Let's go. All right, so overall, on a scale of 1 to 10, the DiamondBoxx PA15 Pros are a major go. Now, if you're keeping score at home, that's a quad major. That's the highest ranking on my channel. These speakers are truly unbelievable. Now, sitting in front of two of these paired together at max volume will blow your head right off your shoulders. Now, on a side note, my other next door neighbor just texted me and said, bro, what are you doing? I said, come outside in 20 minutes. It's getting ready to be Studio 54 in front of my house. Yo, if y'all don't hear from me for a couple of days, that means I got locked up. The sound quality on these speakers is so intense. My heart is racing. It feels like I was just in a club. It's unbelievable. Are these worth $800? The answer is hell yes. Anyway, DiamondBoxx PA15 Pros, quad major go, 100%, white shoes approved. Hit me up in the comments. Let me know what y'all think about these. Shout out to everybody rocking with me on Facebook, Foursquare, Twitter, Google+. Shout out to all the Google gangsters. I see y'all holding down that Facebook page. Shout out to everybody hitting me up on Boxer. And a special shout out to everybody rocking with me on Instagram. Y'all know that's where I'm at full time, 100% full throttle. And a special shout out to everybody rocking with the new stream on Sundays. Y'all already know. Stream gangsters on deck. Get your drinks ready. No meat boys allowed. Oh yeah. Special shout out to everybody following me on Snapchat. Flossy_Carter. That's where I'm at. And a special shout out to the notification squad. I see y'all in the comment section early. #salute. Oh yeah, one more thing. I almost forgot. Fellas, ladies, say it with me. All y'all haters, all y'all trolls, close your eyes and picture me rolling. It's your boy Floss, I'm out. Deuces. Spock won the beam up. Energize.
We're in a situation where everybody in the world uses technology. And if you're gonna buy some of that technology, you gotta understand certain things. Subscribe to Flossy Carter. He does reviews of all the latest technology. The iPhones, the iPads, the Galaxies, the Samsungs, whatever the fuck. The Beats by that doctor guy. And he puts his kitty cat in the videos too for you something to look at. You know, I'm an animal lover, so I like that shit. So make sure you hit the subscribe button to Flossy Carter on the YouTube, the follow button on the Instaface, and the like button on the Facelook. Because if you don't, we're gonna have a fucking problem here. A bad one. Now hit the fucking subscribe button.